August wore a jacket by the Oakland shore, gray sky hanging low where the big ships roar. We climbed aboard at Jack London, engines turning slow, past the lights on the waterfront out where the deep tides go. The cranes stood tall like steel giraffes, their long necks over the bay, lifting boxes from across the world and setting them away. Red and blue in towers high, names from ports we'd never known. The floating city made of steel, come halfway round the globe. Oh, roll us down the Oakland tide, where the container ships lie wide, past the cranes and harbor lights, burning through the August night. From the working docks to the open blue, with the Bay Bridge coming into view, San Francisco in the fog ahead, and the whole wide world behind us spread. There was President Grant against the KAPL, painted proud and high, containers stacked like city blocks under a silver sky. Then an MSC ship filled the view, black hull long and low, while little tugs ran close beside her, helping giants come and go. We watched the spreaders drop and rise, heard the harbor machinery sing, saw the lights along the terminals turn evening into spring. Every box had somewhere been, every ship somewhere to be, Oakland standing at the doorway between the land and sea. Oh, roll us down the Oakland tide, where the container ships lie wide, past the cranes and harbor lights, burning through the August night. From the working docks to the open blue, with the Bay Bridge coming into view, San Francisco in the fog ahead, and the whole wide world behind us spread. Cranes rose above the crowd, red and black against the gray, built to reach across the biggest ships that cross the world today. We craned our necks to see their tops, their cables in the air, monuments to freight and motion, commerce everywhere. Then the terminals fell behind us and the channel opened wide. The bridge stretched out before us like a doorway on the tide. Yerba Buena somewhere forward, downtown hiding in the mist, the towers fading into clouds like a city half imagined. Under the Bay Bridge, westward bound, steel above and water below, Oakland fading at our backs as the evening current flowed. A freighter crossed the skyline, pink against the city gray, and San Francisco waited there on the other side of the bay. The Salesforce Tower lost its crown somewhere inside the fog, while bridge lights blinked above the ships and gulls flew through the smog. The old Hills Brothers sign glowed red, the waterfront drew near, and every mile behind our wake made the city lights more clear. We'd come to see the ships and cranes, the terminals and trade, but somewhere past the harbor mouth a different voyage was made. For an August evening on the bay can make the old world new. Oakland working at our backs, San Francisco coming through. So roll us down the Oakland tide, where the ships of every nation ride, past the cranes in rows of light, tallest stars against the night. Let the bridge rise up and let us through, let the fog hide half the view. From Oakland docks to the city glow, there's a whole wide world in the undertow. August on the Oakland tide, engines low and water wide, one last look where the big ships stay, then under the bridge and across